I'm Marcus Guerra, and this is the ALS challenge, and I challenge the O'Connor football team.
You got 24 hours.
Okay, I'm Herrera, and I accept the ALS challenge, and I challenge Anthony Mata from Houston, David Bua Revelos from Houston, and Robert Sanchez from Houston, Texas.
I'm Marcus Guerra, and I accept George Salinas' challenge, and I challenge Michael Jackson, Lindsey Thorne, and Manuel Blancas.
Alrighty.
Okay, ready? Yep. On my phone.
Hurry, my baby's cold.
Take your time.
Undo that one, undo that one. Yeah, come on, undo that one.
Hold on. Oh, shit.
Make sure that tailgate doesn't hit you.
Oh.
Oh my God!
Wow! Got to be more careful.